Hey guys, it's Allison. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're cleaning. Why? Let me tell you. I don't know if you guys saw my last video, but if you did, I mentioned how we're getting work done in our house, and I think Benji! I think the construction workers are gonna have to... Benji, stop! I think... Oh, God, I can't talk now. I think the construction workers are gonna have to come into my room to change my doorknob, but I'm not sure yet. But I mean, I can't have them come into my room and have it be messy. Like, only you guys can see my room dirty. So yeah, that's why I'm cleaning it. It's honestly not that bad, but that's because last week I filmed a vlog where I cleaned a portion of my room. This portion, that's like kind of not clean right now, but it's clean-ish. A lot. It's clean for me. So yeah, let me just show you guys a quick overview of my room so you see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is what it is looking like. Pretty messy, but not that messy. Well, I guess it is messy. It's messy. Oh, and before I forget, happy Vlogmas Day 1. So I'm taking a little break. I look very sweaty. It's crazy. Anyway, I wanna like eat some food and watch some Netflix. I probably will finish cleaning tonight. I just don't feel like cleaning anymore, so let's go eat. And if you're like, please stop, I just wanna see you clean, I'm gonna put a timestamp where you can just jump to me cleaning again. Alexa, turn off my light.
Okay.
Thank you.
Of course.
Oh, where's the food? Oh, honey garlic and wafer fries. Are they called wafer fries?
Waffle.
Oh. Happy Vlogmas. not going to put away any of these clothes because I want to hang them up. So I'm just going to leave them like this for now. This is the worst product I've ever tried. It burns my lips so much. I bought this one from Sephora. It's called Laneige, I think. Sleep Care Lip Sleeping Mask. This is so good. It doesn't burn your lips and it keeps it really moisturized at night. So I really recommend this. As usual, I'm using Swiffer wipes to mop my floor, and I like to use the Method Wood Daily Clean. I know they have a floor cleaner version of this, but I really like this one because it smells amazing and my room just smells really good after using this. I cannot find the broom anywhere, so I'm going to be using this to dust and sweep at the same time. My room is pretty much clean-ish. I always say that. My closet's a mess, as you can see, but we're not doing that today, so we're just gonna pretend it's not there. I already had some breakfast, so I've already begun messing up my room again. Just gonna make my bed and show you guys the after. My room is nowhere near perfect, but it's a lot better than before. I was thinking about switching this curtain rod to be black and like more, I guess, linear instead of having that ball at the end to kind of match the black accents in my room, but I'm not really sure. What do you guys think? Should I do that? Should I keep it white or should I get a black curtain rod? I wasn't going to vacuum, but I need to because my carpet is so dusty. So, and it has like little hairs in it and that's disgusting. So I need to clean that, unfortunately. thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram. I don't know why I'm doing so many hand movements. Just don't mind me. I shouldn't even be moving my hands like that, especially when my nails look like this, but that's a different story. Anyway, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.